Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 60% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 60% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, $1,357, into your calculator. Then press the multiply button and multiply by 40. Now, you may be wondering, why do we multiply by 40? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 60% discount means you are paying 60% less than the original price. So, if you take 60% away from 100%, you are left with 40%. In other words, paying 40% of the original price means you are saving 60%. So, by multiplying the original price by 40, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 40% off the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button and voila, the final amount after the 60% off is $542.80. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item this time priced at $2,450. Let's enter that into our calculator, 2,540. Press the multiply button, multiply by 40, press that percentage button, and after a 60% off, the final price comes out to be $1,016. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 60% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.